Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the loudspeaker ringer on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the phone, eject the SIM tray, and follow the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, apply heat around the rear cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create a gap between the frame and the rear cover. Next, insert a plastic carpet tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. This process will take time and gently pull out the back cover from the body. Next, take out the rear cover and undo 17 screws securing the mid frame. Once the unscrewing is done, use a plastic car pry tool to create an opening between the housing and the mid frame. The ideal place to insert the car pry tool is near the charging port or SIM tray. Insert the tool along the edges and gently work around to disengage the plastic clips securing the mid frame. While pulling out the frame, be careful. The fingerprint flex is attached to the mid frame from the left hand side. Disconnect the flex cable to release the mid frame from the body. Also, disconnect the two battery connector plugs from the board. Next, take out the non-working speaker from the body. First, undo the screw and pull out the loudspeaker at bottom left. Next, place and secure the new loudspeaker ringer by adding the screw. Next, connect the fingerprint plug and then secure both battery plugs into the board. Next, place the mid frame and secure it by adding 17 screws. Also, insert the SIM tray. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie the rear cover to the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.